A very warm welcome to you. Thank you once again for joining us in this tutorial where we are going to be learning how to import products from Aliexpress, Shopify dropshipping. It's so easy to do that. You notice here I'm on my Shopify account. You also need to be logged into on Aliexpress and on Shopify. So to now start importing products from Aliexpress to Shopify, you simply come down here and you don't have to worry about whether you have added products or not. But in this case, I already have products that I had added. Notice we have wedding rings here, but don't worry about any products if you have them or not. So you'll simply come down here on my apps or apps down here. You click on that. And then at the top here, you can search for Dsers. And then you click on search. And this will take you to your app store for Shopify, but this is what we need. So Dsers Aliexpress dropshipping. You will click on that, and then up here you will click on add app. But you notice here it's the Dsers is an Aliexpress dropshipping solution to place orders. So you will click on add app and you will select your account here, or if you want to use a different account, you will basically click on add account if you want to use a different account from the one that is logged in. And so it will bring you to this site where you have Dsers Aliexpress dropshipping. You can also see which details this is all about, what this app can access in your store. That will be contact information, location, device information, and then it can also store owner information in terms of contact information and also in terms of location. So you simply click on install app, either app here, or if you scroll down here, you'll still find the same. So just click on any, that is install app, and Dsers will now tell you to create an account or register yourself. You can use any. I'll click on create an account for you so that it just creates an account for me. And then we have the options here. You notice we have the second step. You select a plan to continue. That is, we have the enterprise, we have the pro, advanced, and free basic. In this tutorial, I'll use the free basic. Then I click on get started. And then you notice here you can link your supplier. So step 3, you link to Aliexpress. So click the Aliexpress icon below to go to Aliexpress for account authorization. So I'll click on link to Aliexpress, and it takes me to this site where I can grant authorization for access. That is between Dsers and Aliexpress. So you notice we have that, and then you can read the details here concerning transfer of your data. You can read all those details so that if you agree, you come down here and click on agree and authorize. You click on authorize. So you now notice here on our Shopify, we now have Dsers here and we have our Shopify here. And now you notice if I click on give a shot again, it now takes me back here to Shopify, where now you can see my Dsers Aliexpress dropshipping has already been added here. So I'll come back here and click on update here on my Dsers. Click on update, and then you give it time to update. And now if I come here to find suppliers at the top here, find suppliers, just click on that once so that now you can get the goods available on Aliexpress. Here they are. So you now notice we have all these items on sale. I can search for the exact item that I need. So for instance, let me search for watch. Then I click on search. So I click on that. And now you notice we have all these products on sale here. So these are the products that I want to import from Aliexpress to my Shopify using Dsers. So I'll select one. Maybe let me go for this one that goes for $15.01. That is the Lige smartwatch. So you notice here we have the supplier optimizer, and then here we have add to import list. So to add this one now, or to import it to Shopify, you click on add to import list, and you notice it is now indicating imported. the product has been imported. The product imported successfully. Please go to import list to check. So I'll click on go to import list for me to just check that. So, and here it is. You notice now our product is already added. That's our product already added there. So now once I get here, you see our product is here. But now to add it to my Shopify, if now I bring the cursor here, you notice the Shopify icon here. And once I bring the pointer there, you notice it shows push to Shopify. So now I'll add this to Shopify. I click on that. And then you can notice now here we have push products, and then you select the stores you want to push your products to and check the boxes below to select the rules that apply to your products. For instance, this is a store that I want to export this product, to import this product to. And then here we have the preferences, that is the pricing rule. And then we have these two buttons, which I would advise you to let them remain the way they are. Like this first button, continue selling when out of stock. This will not be right to tick that, because you'll be selling things that are already out of stock. And also publish to online store. You can choose not to tick that. So I'll leave mine the way it is. And then I'll click on push to Shopify. So then you give it time so that we will go back to our Shopify and see whether our product will be there. So I go back to my Shopify store here. Then I look at products. And here we have it. Now you notice our Lead smartwatch for men has been added. I can click on that to see the details. So one thing you notice, it adds everything. So I didn't have to type all this now. You notice our Lead smartwatch for women, full touch screen, sport fitness match. All these details have been added automatically. Down here, the title has also been added. And then the specifications have been added down here. And then if I scroll down, you notice the media, all the media has been added also in my Shopify store. And now these things are still editable. I can now edit this to fit what I want. For instance, if I feel this is not the title I want, I can change anything. Maybe Lead smartwatch, men, women, full touch screen. Then maybe I don't want this part. I can delete that. And I can click on save at the top here so that the changes are saved. I can also maybe remove the first word here, reach. So I click on save. So now notice our title here doesn't have the word reach. And then down here on the media part, if I scroll down, you notice we have all these images. And if I feel a certain image would be the very first one I want at the top, let's say maybe I want let me look for the best one that I feel. The one selected is okay, but let me just assume it was the blue one that I want to be at the top, or this black one without having all these icons around it. I'll simply come where it is, click at the four corners at the end, and then drag it and drop it. So now notice our media has been rearranged, or we have changed the order of our media. If now I click on products, so you notice we now have our product added here with all the details as imported from Aliexpress. So that is simply how you import products from Aliexpress using Dsers. It's a very easy process. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.